Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are doing a super fun and interactive video with you guys. I am so impressed with your guys' decisions. I was feeling very rocky in this video, as you guys will see, because I told you guys on Instagram to choose my whole entire makeup. If you guys saw it on Instagram, you guys are some real ones. I posted it on my Instagram stories and kind of did a little poll like this foundation or this foundation, and I did that for my whole routine, and you guys came up with this here. I really would not have done anything close to a look like this, especially with like these lashes and just like this whole combo. I would have never really thought to do it like just on an everyday basis. You guys will definitely be seeing this on my Instagram if you haven't already, and I'm super excited to show you guys how this process went. So let's go ahead and get started. Amani, can you please turn the light on? It's too dark in here. Oh my goodness. All right, let's get into this video. We are going to have my Instagram followers control what my makeup look looks today, and I'm petrified. I'm really hoping that you guys chose the best for me and didn't try to troll this makeup look, because there's like some combos in here that could go very bad. Like for example, I'm very scared for the highlighter today because baby, I know one of them is way too dark for me, so I'm praying and hoping that you guys have my back on this one. So here's my Instagram. I'm going to be popping up the options right here. First one is primer, and I am actually very happy that you guys chose this one. This one is the Farsali. The Farsali one wins by 71%. I'm going to be using the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. This has 24 karat gold infused. Like, okay, we're gonna be rich today. Our face is gonna be real rich today. Also, I curled my hair, and I have to put you guys onto this shampoo that I've been using that my stylist, which is at Hair by Maribel, gave to me. She recommended it to me, and I was like, okay, cool. It's by Canon. It's like in like a reddish orange bottle. Put this baby on. This is supposed to be like a prep and prime, so oof, when is it gonna come out? I feel bad wasting this because it's gold. Sis. Hello?
2,000 years later.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that smells fire. Whoa, that smells like grapes. Do you guys remember those grape flavored like roll on lip glosses that you used to get from like the swap meet? So that feels really good so far. I really like that. Now moving to the side, we're gonna see what you guys chose for the foundation. So it was between the Bobbi Brown Skin Long Wear Weightless Foundation and then also the Hourglass stick. And you guys chose the Hourglass by just a smidge. It got 57% while the other one got 43%. And I'm actually really glad that you guys chose the Hourglass one because that's low-key what I wanted to use. Looks like you guys are on my side today. Also, look at how cute my Powerpuffs hoodie is today, my little sweater. I'm gonna be putting the products aside that I'm not gonna be using, so using the Hourglass. I'm pretty sure we can blend it. The other one was just way too light, so. I haven't used this in a while, and I remember when I did use it, it was like very full coverage, and I feel like I put too much on. So I'm gonna put not as much on today. Now I'm gonna get a synthetic brush because I feel like it works way better with this product here. And I was gonna be using my beauty blender, but I feel like the beauty blender is just going to eat up all of the product because I have used this before, like I said. My favorite sponges as of recent, LA Girl. I ran out of my LA Girl ones, but you guys already know LA Girl is my ride or die. If you guys want to get any products by LA Girl, I'll be putting my discount code right here. Not sponsored, but you guys do get a good amount of money off when their products are already very inexpensive. I'm a true die-hard fan of them. There is some little areas where I could use a little more coverage, like on my nose, because I have a big fat red mark. Just like pretty much where I have my scarring, but like my scarring doesn't do very well with coverage. For the concealer, you guys chose 50-50. It's literally 50-50, so I don't know which one to use. I guess we're gonna have to do what it says, so we're gonna be using both. So this is the Cover FX Power Play Concealer, and this is in the shade G Medium 1. Look at how chunky the little applicator is. That's so funny. I've used this before, but I think I put too much. But I don't remember how it works. But the applicator feels really nice. I'm going to mix it up with the MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. Let's see how these babies mix. Okay, yeah. You see how this one's lighter? Oh, this is gonna be really good though. Okay, so far it's blending out nicely. Coverage is really good. I'm getting very skeptical. Like a long time ago when I used to use this Hourglass foundation, if I place something on top of it that I didn't agree with, it would get really oily and separate. Let's pray that this does not ruin my face today. Because we got TikToks to make, my guy. Ooh, this looks juicy. If you guys have been on my channel for a while, you would know that I don't use primers. So if my makeup lasts on all day, even with all of these combos on my face, I'm going to be using Farsali officially as a primer. Okay, so far, very juicy. We have two options for the powders, and I really am kind of hoping that you guys are saying the LA Girl one. Let's see what you guys said. Please don't disappoint me. No. Are you guys serious? Okay, well, you guys chose the Beauty Bakery by 2% only. Come on, I thought you guys were on my side. Come on, give LA Girl a chance next time. LA Girl is really good. This powder does wonders. It like face tunes your skin. We're gonna be using the Beauty Bakery Flour Better Not Bitter, and this one is in the shade Yellow because you guys know I love my banana powder. This is actually a really good powder. Like I was using it for a minute. I always go in for my under eyes first because we do not want any creasing, baby. And then I always like to take a ton down my nose because my nose likes to get a little bit oily. This powder is really good. It's just like very smoothing. I also am very picky with my powders, so like pretty much any powder that you guys chose would have been a good one. All right, now for bronzer, I picked out Pressed Powder by LA Girl, and this is in the shade Warm Caramel. And also before I discovered that product, I was always using the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil, which is the one that you guys chose. It was at 69% against 31 on LA Girl. So we're gonna be using the Dark Chocolate Soleil. You guys are really kicking my butt now. Since this was my favorite before, I'm praying and hoping that it still looks good on me because sometimes some products after time just don't look as good on me anymore. So first I like to map out. Oh my, whoa. I'm doing too much right now. The regular one is just called the Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and that one is just too ashy on me. This one was the one that I would always use, and I don't know if I used to always look red like this. Oh, let's hope for the best. Just blend the fudge out of it. Now this is gonna come together, I'm convinced. I really want to do a video where I show you guys how I contour my nose, and I'm gonna show you guys like the whole intricate way of how I contour it. I look back at some of my nose contours from like a year or two ago and I'm like, who let you out the house like that? Because before I didn't know that you had to connect it to your eyebrow. Like I was doing it starting from like right here. Kind of like going back and forth with your products. That's always what I do to make it look like so seamless and juicy. Okay, but now look at this. It's looking juicy. At first my bronzer was looking a little bit spooky. Sis knows how to look her magic. We are under quarantine here, but in California specifically as a whole, we're all on like a lockdown. It's more of a safe at home type thing going on. I'm going to be looking back at this video in hopefully a year. Hopefully it does not last longer than a year. And I'm gonna be like, wow, we really went through that. Let's see what you guys chose for my blush. I was actually hoping that you guys would have chose the pink one. You guys chose Satisfy, which is the peachy one, over X-Rated, which is like the bubblegum pink one. But I have been doing pretty pink cheeks recently, so a peachy one won't hurt. Ooh, pretty. I've always wanted to do that cute little nose blush that people do, but it just doesn't look good on me. On me, it just looks like I'm sick. I've been doing a lot of blush recently, just because it's such a cute little look. That was really fast, wow. Okay, now let's move on to the highlight. I'm terrified. This one is between Fenty and Artist Couture. Let's see. Oh my goodness, you guys saved my life. Okay, I'm really happy about this one. Nothing against Fenty. It was 49 Fenty and 51 Artist Couture, so by a smidge. Holy duck, guys. The only reason why I didn't want to put on the Fenty one was because it is like gold. I'll show you guys right now, and the Artist Couture one is gold, but like it's a gold that will actually go with my skin tone. Artist Couture, which is the one that I'll be using. This one is in the shade Glow Money. I haven't used it yet, it's brand new. And then this one is Fenty Beauty, and this one is Trophy Wife. I got this back literally when it first came out, like 3 years ago, I know, but I haven't touched it. So I've only swatched it. But look at this, like if that was on my skin tone, this is for like a beautiful, deeper toned woman. So I'm gonna be using the Artist Couture one. If I put that on my skin, bro, I would look crazy because it would look like a streak of yellow on me. Oh, we're not playing today. I used to put on tons of highlight, but now I just kind of put it so like it reflects nicely. Maybe I should do a video of me recreating like my crazy looks that I used to do before. These are all new products, so I'm hyped to see what products I'm going to end up liking. This is the moment of truth, guys. Now to find out what I'm gonna do for my eyeshadow. Oh, should have expected nothing less from you guys. So it was 36% Morphe and 64% Huda. Guys, that palette is bright. This is the palette. This is the Neon Huda Beauty palette. It looks like this. The colors are gorgeous, don't get me wrong. I don't know what I want to do in my eyes with this, because I don't want to do anything neon today, because I do want to take like pictures and TikToks. What do I kind of want to put yellow on my eye today? I think I'm gonna do it. You know what? Fudge it. I'm gonna use this bright yellow here. It's like a shimmery, bright, like limey yellow. That is really pretty. I think I'm going to blend it out like with this little melon color in the center, and I'm just gonna be running it like over top. Barely, not even anything dramatic, and then take it up to the crease. I was so scared to use this palette. I don't know why I was scared, because before I used to always use color. And mixing it and putting it on the lower lash line. Now for lashes. You guys chose Lily lashes. I'm kind of scared because these lashes look too short on me. I feel like they're gonna look too short. These are in the style Cabo. Fine, I'll use the Lily lashes. All right, so while my lashes are drying, I'm gonna go ahead and figure out what you guys wanted for the lip. I really was convinced you guys were gonna choose the lip gloss, but you guys chose the lipstick. So this was between MAC products. There's a lip gloss in the shade Painted Lady, and the lipstick that you guys chose was Stripped. Before we put that on, gonna be putting on my lashes.
Meanwhile.
Okay, these actually look really cute. Like, just in my mind, they look too small, which they are way more natural than I usually wear my lashes, but they look really good. Again, I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions, so I don't fill in my brows anymore, as you guys can see. Recently, I went to my girl Lisa, which is at Slayed by Katana. She did my brows. She geometrically shaped them, threaded them, and laminated them. And now I'm gonna go on by doing the lips. So that's the lip liner, and then stripped on top. So pretty. And that is the look. Ooh. Let me just say, I underestimated you guys, and I'm sorry. I truly apologize. I'm the one that was wrong. This makeup look is so fire. You guys did an amazing job. And if you guys want me to do more looks like this where you guys choose my makeup, I'll probably do it in like the next month or so. I was having some doubts in the beginning, but this, baby, you guys did it. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.